Now he's starting to hit. Got another one. Like that, Bubba. Alright, I'm just sitting back at this point. I can't even hear my own voice. Oh, I fired one bullet, bro. Help! I'm pinned. Two kills off the bat. This is going good. There's a good. What? Come here. There's good. We can see through the containers through here. Yeah, no. This is a good. Watch out. Stay low. You got? Do you have range on your gun?
Not really.
I don't either.
Yeah, there's one guy.
Yeah, we can see them through C2 and C1 over there, I think. Oh, look, I see someone.
Yeah.
Hello! Sorry, mate. Oh, shit! I don't know if I got that kill. I don't think I got him. Fuck.
What's next door in the white container? I'm not sure if that guy's dead.
Yeah, I don't know either. Oh, white door's dead. White door's dead.
White door's dead?
Yeah. Shit, I can't even see my bullets anymore. Shit, get down. Stay down from container.
They're shooting from here?
Yeah, they're shooting at the containers. I might have to use my spare. He's shooting at me. Got him. Oh, fuck. Is that 4? I think that's 4. I don't know. I'll have to check that. I didn't get that. Man, I swear I hit those people. Oh my god, I got him! Oh my god, I actually fucking got him. Yo, I almost hit that guy. Yeah, I'm fucking camping. This is free. Shit! God, good man, bullets. Woo!